Child, this tutorial took me forever to film. I won't even tell you how long. But I guess I was just enjoying myself, right? What else can you ask for? Welcome to another video. If you are new here, my name is Giselle. Welcome to the channel. If you are not new and you have not yet subscribed, I honestly don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and right after you do that, make sure to hit the bell button so that you will be notified when there are new videos. Today we are doing a get ready with me on the look that I have on right now. This is a video in collaboration with Divatress because we're bringing you this beautiful lace frontal right here, girl, and she's super affordable. So stay tuned for all of the details in the video, and I'm also going to share the link to everything in the description box below. So to start off, I'm using the Urban Decay Self-Adjusting Complexion Primer. And I know it looks a little scary, y'all. It looks white, but it will not show up once we have the foundation on, okay? And for foundation, I'm using the Black Radiance Color Perfect Liquid Foundation. I have to check and see what color I'm using, but it was definitely not the right shade. It definitely came off kind of red. So to correct it a little bit, I went in with my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC45. For a little bit more coverage, but definitely more so to make it more neutral. After that, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer under my eyes, and I'm also going to go in with a little bit of an Urban Decay concealer to brighten it up a little bit more because the first concealer wasn't bright enough to my liking. And with my beauty blender, I'm going to blend all of this in so it's really nice and smooth and seamless. To set all of the concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is the loose powder, and it was my first time using it, and I am in love with it. You guys already know I love Maybelline, and this powder is the truth, you guys. Next up, I'm using the Afrique. Like I said before, I have no idea how to pronounce this palette, okay? But it's by Juvia's Place. And I'm going in with like the mauve color on the crease as my transition color. And I don't have the names of the shadows on me, but I will put them in the description box below. But if you have the palette, like I'm showing you the color right there, it would be easy to follow along. I had no idea where I was going with this look. I was just putting stuff on, to be quite honest with you. But I'm not mad at it though. I even did a little cut crease, and to create the cut crease I'm using the Pro Longwear Concealer because it's more emollient, so it's easier for me to work with it. Then I'm going in with that gold and the lighter shade. I'm putting the gold more in the center, and then I'm going to go in with a lighter shade towards the inner corner of my eye. And I'm just pressing these colors in so I can get the most color payoff out of them. And then I'm going in with this beautiful burgundy color. Like I want to do a look really just centered on this color. And I'm putting this towards the outer corner of my eyes to blend everything together and kind of smoke it out a little bit more too. Add a little bit more drama. And I'm going to go into my Urban Decay Born to... What is the name of this Bella? Born to Run with that brown shade to intensify the crease a little bit more where I cut it. Y'all, I am not, like, I'm trying to get used to doing cut creases on myself. I need to practice more because I just don't be feeling them. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I have a hooded eye and I feel like it just looks weird on me. And then I'm just gonna go in with my Sephora liquid eyeliner. I love this liner, it's so dark. And I'm doing a wing and bronzing it up with this Milani bronzer because after all that powder and concealer, your girl lost a little bit of her melanin, so we gotta bring it back, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm going in with this Black Radiance Contour and Highlight palette. I'm using that color in the middle as kind of a bronzer still to intensify that a little bit more. And then I go in with the darker shade after that to really make the contour more dramatic. And I'm using the middle shade to contour my nose. Then just go ahead and use your favorite black eyeliner. This one is from Urban Decay as well. I love their 24-hour pencils. Like, they stay on so well and are super pigmented. And this is in the color Legend. And then just to smudge it a little bit, I went in with that brown that I used on my crease from the Urban Decay palette. And then I used a powder that was the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark, just to tie everything together and get rid of any like brightness that I didn't like. And some highlight, y'all. You know, you gotta highlight. And I'm using the new iridescent powder from MAC, which is not new because they've had this before, and I've used it on my channel, and I was so sad that I ran out of it. And your girl is happy that they got that back. Then I'm going in with this blush from Black Radiance, and it's in the color Warm Berry. And my all-time favorite lip liner, Cork from MAC. It's also Shayla's favorite. Y'all know I love that girl. Like, every black woman should have Cork. Seriously. Cork and Chestnut. Those are our best friends. And I need to look at what the color of this lipstick is. I can't remember the color of the lipstick and the gloss, but they're both from Urban Decay, and I will leave them in the description box. But it was the perfect nude combo. I am so happy with the way that it turned out, you guys. So this unit is by Brown Sugar, and it's my first time using a unit from them, and this is the card right here. She is pretty versatile. You can do, or versatile. Is it versatile or versatile? Anyways, so you can braid her to the side, you can wear her to the side. My head is unfortunately too big for her, so I just picked a style and I'm gonna stick with it. I love her in the middle like this. She was also really pretty to the side. Next time I wear it, I might try to the side. She's gorgeous, super realistic. I feel like this isn't, it's a human blend, I think. It says the best taste in human hair style mix. So I'm assuming that there's a little bit of like human hair mixed in here. Because I mean, we all know like the good synthetic wigs now are kind of like a blend so that you are able to straighten it. And how much heat can you put on this one? Usually these cards come with a little thing that has like the flat, has the straightener on it, and then it tells you how much heat you can put on it. I don't see it on here. However, I did just straighten her before I came on camera because I wanted to get her a little bit more sleek since I had been wearing her for the past few days. It does come with some adhesive tape. I've never used adhesive tape before. I'm not about to start now, but this is a soft lace, so you might want to do that. I might try it just like on the front right here so you can stick down, but otherwise I think I'm good. She is cut in a layer. Let's see here if you can see. Like, she's not just super straight. There's layers to it. She also looks super natural on. I've gotten a ton of compliments every time I've worn her, which has been like maybe 2 or 3 times this past week. I also wore her to the J. Cole concert this past weekend, and I loved her. And as you can see, this is how much space you have for parting. It is like all the way to the ear with the lace, so it's a 13x4. Yep, so it's a 13x4 on the lace front. And you could put it up, like do some little baby hairs. Like I said, my head is a little too big for it, so I won't be wearing it up. But I've been in love with her. But I'm gonna have all of the details on her and the link in the description box, so make sure to check that out. And that's it for today, everyone. Thank you so much for sticking through the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Like I said in the beginning, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do so. We're trying to get to that 10,000, okay? We're so close. At least I feel like I'm super close, like closer than, you know, being at 1 subscriber. So I mean, let's keep it going, let's keep the channel growing. I appreciate every single one of you guys that have already subscribed. Make sure to like this video as well so that YouTube knows that it's worthy of showing to other people, and I will see you guys on the next video. Ciao.